Hey, good evening, guys. Chris Bowden here. Um, Coming back to you guys tonight. So I wanted to go over the basics of affiliate marketing for beginners. So we're going to go over details on what's your tools that you can use, different programs you can affiliate with, and get a little bit of a brief overview on how to put it all together. So let's jump right in here. All right, let's go in here. Let me move my screen over. So what we got is the affiliate marketing for beginners. So what I'm going to reveal to you is three things. We're going to go over the best affiliate program tools to get you started with this beginner. The programs to get started with if you're looking to do high ticket affiliate marketing, and how to drive the targeting leads and traffic to your offers. So to get started with some of my favorite affiliate programs to get started with, I choose ClickFunnels. They have one of the better solid foundations as far as putting your landing pages and your web pages and your opt-ins and stuff together. They are the leading in the marketing place as far as them. They do have a free 14-day trial. The link will be in the comment section below. So if you're interested in that, there will be a free trial down there that you guys can get started with. And one of the reasons why I use them is many of the people that you may mentor under, they will offer you funnels and different builds that they have, and that's usually the way that they give it to you. Now there is other places, there's a lot of free ones that you guys can look up. There's Builderall, GrooveFunnels, and there's a couple other ones. I heard Systems, a pretty good one. Some people are starting to use that one. Now for your emails, I use GetResponse. The reason why I like GetResponse is because I like their automations. I can build the automation how I want, and I prefer like how I can set tags for people to know. So if somebody opts in, I can send them here. They don't, I send them here. The workflow is all around. For me, it's more ideal. Now also there's Aweber and MailChimp. A tip from what I hear, MailChimp don't really like affiliates. So if you're using them and they find out you're an affiliate, I've heard that you get banned. That I don't know. Since I heard that, I stayed away from that one. But again, if you're already using it, I just want you to be aware that that's something that may happen. Now also Bluehost or Namecheap are usually your two main places where everybody will get their domains and their personal emails for them to use. I mean, you don't want to use a typical Gmail or Yahoo or anything like that when you're you want it to come from your business, your brand on that. Now also ClickFunnels, they also provide email and domain. I think that's like a $20 markup charge. I didn't go that route because I didn't see fit when I first started out. There's nothing wrong with it. You choose what you want, what works best for you. Now, if you're looking for, sorry, I'll get my screen out of the way. Now, if you're looking to do your high ticket affiliate programs, these are also fantastic training sources also. We'll start with the Legendary Marketer 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. Now it's put on by Legendary Marketer. The owner is Dave Sharp. Sorry, I look at my notes here. This is for 18 years and older. They do not allow underage for their program. That's just his rules. It's what he's going to teach you in that is the #1 business secrets, core 4 models. He'll walk you through all the way up into your first sale. There's a total of 15 days of training here. Now, around day 5, you're going to get signed a BPA, which is your business advisor that they're going to give you. Now, and just from experience, when you get to that date, you're going to want to schedule that right away. Sometimes those guys are very busy, and depending on who you're assigned, they may not. It may be a couple days. So if you don't want to hold up your training, it would be best to schedule that right away. Unless you want to give it a few days and re-go back over the training, which again, it's whatever you see fit as far as that goes. Sure, is there anything else? One of my favorite ones here is the 3-day business builder challenge, Freedom Breakthrough. It's put on by Jonathan Montoya. This is you can be under 18 to do this one. This is hands-on. He will take you all the way from A to Z in the 3 days. And he'll actually even show you how to put a full business together and put an opt-in together on day 2. Day 3, he'll show you how to do the trafficking on that. It's a fantastic course. I felt it complemented the 15-day very well. Again, I did both of them. Both challenges are $7 to start. Again, if you're interested in either one of them, there is links below in the comment sections below if you guys are interested. I personally feel that they're fantastic. The reason why is you need a foundation if you're going to do this. You need, especially if you've never done this before. It's a business, so you want to get it started on the right foot. You don't want to mess around. And between these 2 programs, they will teach you how to get your business up and going. And after you're done, you can also affiliate with them and turn around and sell their courses too. So there's a lot of options here with just these 2 alone if you're looking for high ticket affiliate marketing. So on that note with the high ticket, if you're taking the training and stuff like that and you're eager to get out there, there's some sites that you can earn while you're learning. ClickBank, JVZoo, ShareASale, Warrior Plus. Now all these places have different products that you can promote, and all the different niches that are out there. You'll have to sit there and go through the marketplaces on them and find one that you're passionate about. Again, don't just go in, be grabbing everything and spamming links out there. That's frowned upon. That's not something you want to do, and that will give you a bad reputation. So when you're doing that, make sure that it's something that you can align yourself with within your niche. That's going to be very important. It might coincide, it might work together with what you're already doing. Then you can bundle them together, So there's opportunities to incorporate these in depending on what it is you do. Now, again, these are just 4. There is thousands out there. If you're curious, depending on what your niche is, whatever your passions are, your hobbies are, when you're at their websites, go down all the way to the very bottom of the page and you'll see affiliates. And if you see the affiliates link down there in the bottom, that means they have some type of an affiliate program that you can link with. Again, there's all sorts. I mean, just name a few: Target, Walmart, Best Buy, Dick's Sporting Goods, all places like that. There's all sorts of makeup places. Depending on what your niche is, you should be able to find something for yourself to promote if you're not wanting to do the high ticket stuff. Let's see here. What do we got next? And here's your top traffic platforms that you're going to want to use. These are where you're going to be driving people from. Now there's your free, your organic traffic, and there's also your paid traffic. I personally prefer to use the free traffic method. I'm not a big fan of using ads. I feel there's a lot out there. There's nothing against them. If you know what you're doing, then by all means, if you have the extra money, then do it. If you don't have the extra money, I don't suggest doing ads. I suggest going with the free method. So, and your different methods that you have, move my screen out of the way here, are TikTok, YouTube, Google ads, Facebook, and Facebook ads. Now, your top 2 are TikTok and YouTube. Those are going to be your 2 biggest organic free that you can drive free traffic from through your videos. You'll be able to link into your bio and send them to your offer page. Now, Facebook is a good way to do it too. If you have a group, you can bring in people with your group and then, bring them in later on if you want. Now, if you're into pay for ads, there is YouTube ads that you can do, Google ads you can do, and of course Facebook ads. Again, I don't do any ads, so I don't have a whole lot of information on doing that. I prefer the free method. It drives traffic for me well. I don't have an issue with it. I'm working on growing my YouTube channel. That has been seemed to be a little bit more difficult, as you have to have to get monetized. You have to have X amount of hours watch time, and I'm still working on that. So please, guys, if you enjoy the video, click the like below. Please comment if there's something that you feel the video needs, or something, any questions or whatever, and I will get back to you on with your questions. So the blueprint of what it is that we're actually trying to do is we are trying to bring in our traffic. So we need to know, before we can bring our traffic in, we need to know what the customer needs. And we need to know that before they do. So that way, when we're producing our content, we already have an idea in our minds what it is that our customer wants. We need to identify that problem for them. And lastly, we need to be able to solve that problem for them. And as long as we can solve that problem for them, we will be able to turn around and generate them into an email, which is going to be our traffic. So we want to get our traffic from our social media platforms. You know, again, here, Facebook, Google AdWords, if you're using ads. Instagram is the top place. A lot of people use Instagram. I personally do not see the point in Instagram. Sorry, Instagram users. I do have an account. I'm not going to say that I don't. I don't understand Instagram and promoting my stuff. Now, a lot of people have made lots of money doing that. I use TikTok and YouTube are my main two that I do. I am growing on Facebook also. That one has seemed to be a little bit more challenging for me, but again, I'm growing. So, and that's the whole point. You want to grow with your content. I want to offer the most knowledgeable insight that I can for you guys that are beginners, so that way you guys can learn and grow and also turn this into a passive income for yourself. So once we know where we're going to get our traffic from, you know, so whatever that may be, we know what our customer wants. We've put it out there for them, you know. So now once we got it out there, we need to bring them into our opt-in, you know. So if you're using, you know, a TikTok video to bring in your traffic, it's best within the first 3 to 5 seconds of that video to have that hook, so that way you can grab them and bring them in. You want that attention. If you get that in, the more you can keep their attention with that hook, the longer they're going to stay through that video. And that's the whole point. You want them to stay through that video. You want them to hear what you have to say, so that way you can get them to relate and go, oh yeah, that light bulb came on, like, oh yeah, I've got that problem. Oh yeah, that's, you know. And that's how we're going to get them into our page, into our funnel. So once we get them in, you know, we hook them in with our stuff, they come to our page, they opted in, they gave us their email. Once they gave us their email, now this is where you're going to send them to our next page, give them a call to action. We're going to tell them our story. This is where we're going to go into a little bit more detail and kind of drive it home, like this is why you need to it. And then we're going to hit them with the call to action. Now, your call to action may be, hey, here's a free gift for you. Now, if you're using, depending on what site you're using, what you're promoting, if you look through all their affiliate links and their details and all that, always look for a free item, whether it be a free webinar, a free ebook, or something. That's going to help you drive the traffic amazingly, because they're going to say, oh, hey, I'm getting something for free. I have a chance to check this out beforehand. Now once they get that in, you have a couple different things you can do depending on what it is that you're actually promoting. Let me get this actually up out of the way a little bit here. Sorry. So now, well, once we've done that, we've opted in and we've sent them the ebook. Now we want to, with one of two ways. Well, with the ebook, you can have a link inside there, you know, bringing them over to your actual offer. Or after you've sent them the ebook, have something that pops up within your funnel that says, oh, hey, wait, I got one more thing to show you. And then you can send them over to the affiliate offer, which again, it can have a video in there explaining something to them. It can be another page. And if you've identified with your customer through the hook and through your call to action, the process to the sale should not be that hard. And once they get that affiliate offer, that's where you make the money. Now, again, depending on what it is that you're doing, make sure that you are prepared to nurture your emails. Your emails are going to be your lifeblood with affiliate marketing. I'm sorry. Your emails are going to be everything for you. As long as you are nurturing your emails, you will be able to make good commissions off of what you have. Now, again, once you get the emails, don't go spamming them. Inform them, let them know, ask them questions, engage with your audience. That's going to help you in the long run. So the whole goal here is I want to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Whether that be you want to completely quit your 9 to 5 or you just want to supplement your 9 to 5. Either way, that's what I'm here for. My videos are for making money online, affiliate marketing. I'm going to start doing some getting traffic videos on YouTube and TikTok and stuff like that. If you guys like what you see and you guys are interested for more, please subscribe in the link below. Again, all the information that I've talked about are links that you can also affiliate with. So all the links will be listed below. Again, I am an affiliate marketer. This is a full disclaimer. If you click on the links below, I may or may not get a commission based on what item that you click on if you purchase something. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.